3.
Shout out Yash's cheerleading days. What's up, guys? We got another product.
I mean, you just want to do the intro for me? What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another Busta-Bust or Not. Today, by the title of this video, we are doing the first impressions of the Google, what is it, Home Max?
Yeah.
I was going to say Google Mini. I almost choked.
I mean, it's quite a large mini.
Yeah, bro, it's not even Max, bro. It's that. This is my friend Kyle's. You know, special shout out to him. He's like right over there. You know, say what's up, bro.
What's up?
Yeah.
We're gonna put his links in the description. You already know.
Yeah, you already know. Links in the description for whatever Kyle does. You know, follow him on Twitter, Instagram. So we're gonna be doing a mental comparison with the Google Home Max to the Homepod, but the Homepod is at Chad's house. So
if you haven't seen the HomePod video,
if you guys haven't seen the HomePod video, check it out over right here. Woo!
Voila! It's a pillow.
It's a pill, bro.
It's a Beats pill.
It's a Beats pill. Oh, I like the
It feels like your phone case.
texture. Yeah. Feels like my iPhone X phone case. If you guys haven't seen our iPhone X video, check it out over that way. And then it comes with this frisbee, dude. And then it comes with the cord. Is that it?
Is this the air power?
How do you gotta plug it on the bottom?
It's at the bottom, you jackass. It's the back.
What's this USB-C for?
Yash, why do you have it like on its top?
Because that's how it is.
You know,
Not.
it's the wrong way.
Rotate it.
Like I could tell.
Like that.
Yeah,
Get
there
that
you
frisbee,
go.
the frisbee underneath it.
Give me the frisbee, bruh. I mean, I don't like it in the middle. I don't like it on the side. So on the back, it's got a USB-C and then an aux. Is that what it is? Okay, Kyle, I see you. I like the fact that there's an aux and you can actually play something from your phone like the
Yeah,
HomePod
but, like,
didn't.
Or why would you if you could just say, hey, Google, play some music?
I don't know, bro. I mean, I don't have Google. We all here iPhone gang, bro. Steve Jobs. So how do I like turn this thing on?
Is this a little pump? Zeros.
So now what?
100 on my wrist.
Does it work with a regular phone, like iPhones?
Regular
Google
phone.
Home app, man.
Oh.
You all good?
So it works with iPhones. And it works with Androids? That's a plus already. That's a plus.
You can reconnect to Wi-Fi from your Google Home app under Devices, then Setup.
What's your Wi-Fi, bro?
I got you, bro. It's a long password. Bro, that's the iPhone X, you know? If you guys haven't seen the iPhone X review, check it out over here. Connected, look. All right, now what?
Is it all good?
Yeah.
What do you mean
Welcome
now?
home, Master Moosey.
Well, now you just talk to it.
Hey, Google, play Gucci Gang.
Okay, Gucci Gang by Lil Pump. Here it is on Spotify.
Spot. Not even sound loud.
Big head on the Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Sprint their racks on new chain.
Bro? I can't hear it.
Cocaine. Ooh,
You're right, it's not omnidirectional. Hey, Google. Well, I want to decide a new song, bro. That's copyright issues right there, you know what I'm saying? Hey, Google, play Chief Keef, Hate Me Now.
On 100%.
I looked for Chief Keef Hate Me Now, but it either isn't available or can't be played right now.
Oh my
They can't play Chief Keef, Hate Me Now. What is this Busta-Bust?
Hey Google, play the bass song.
Okay, All About That Bass by Megan Trainor.
Bro, stop.
Yeah,
No,
this
hey,
is my
Google, stop.
tune.
Hey, Google, stop. Hey, Google, stop. Better stop.
No problem.
No trouble. Yeah.
Hey, I like this song.
Yeah.
100%.
And what's it? Hell? Hey, Google, go to 100% volume.
Yeah. 901 Shelby Drive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other.
It doesn't sound the same from the back, obviously. I mean, what'd you expect? There's no speakers on the back. But it sounds pretty good from the front.
It's all about that bass, though.
It's all about that bass, though. I wonder how it sounds if I just put it on, like. I just want to see how it
It's
sounds.
gonna be like more omnidirectional.
Where is the? What am I
Right
pressing?
there. It's right on the side there. It's touch.
Where's
You touch it. You just touch
Where?
it. Slide.
Yash, you gotta sample that, bro.
I like that. Hey Google, play God's Plan by Drake.
God's Plan by Drake, sure. Playing on Spotify.
You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me.
It sounds really good from far, bro. It's loud. It is
I mean,
loud.
I'd hope it doesn't sound the same behind you because you got all that fancy soundproofing behind
I mean, yeah, that's true. That's true. Soundproofing does help a little bit. Bass is good. Midtones are good. Tweeters are pretty high. I mean, from what the quick test I had.
Only two.
Only 2 tweeters.
2 subwoofers.
But I mean, the Google HomePod has 7 tweeters. Did I say Google HomePod? I meant Apple HomePod. Apple HomePod has like 7 tweeters.
Yeah.
I like the design. It's cool. I just don't like that it's vertical.
You can turn it. Turn it on its side. Like, no, other way. It's upside down.
By the way, the Google Home is upside down.
How do you know which way's upside down and which way's not?
Because the volume's up on the top. You see that?
This bar right here.
Party, and you know me. Turn the 02 into the 03, dog. Without
Alright, listen, bro. Like, I was supposed to know that. Like, I was just supposed to know. Like,
Where's the play button? Bro, I think you found it.
bro. So I guess Kyle's saying that if you buy the Google Home Max, you guys get a discount on Philips Hue's bulbs.
Don't know how long that's going on.
Yeah, I don't know how long that's going on. Links will be down below, as usual. We have the LifeX bulbs. I like them. There are some issues with them, but if you guys want to see the full review on that, check it out right over here. That is cool. Turn the volume down, the dots change. Can you see in the video? Hey Google, play Walk It Talk It by the Migos.
Walk It Talk It by Migos, sure. Playing on Spotify.
You see I'm dripping never gets.
You got my ass for a minute.
Hey, you see me dripping, don't reflect. Hey, you see me flexing on your bitch, can't forget about it. You see I'm dripping on your bitch, you can't forget about it. See I'm dripping VVS. Hey, you see I'm flexing on your.
Oh, this isn't Walk It Talk It.
This is 7 million by Lil Uzi Vert.
Oh, this is little Uzi Vert. Do I gotta tell her to do it again?
No, I got right here for a while.
Stir fry.
Yeah.
Stir fry, no choice.
I didn't even know it was the wrong song.
No, I was like, cause I haven't, I've only heard snippets from the Twitter. I was like, wait, maybe that's just how it's
Walk it
starts.
like I talk it, walk it like I talk it, walk it like I.
Hey Google, play ASAP Ferg Plain Jane.
Alright, Plain Jane by ASAP Ferg. Here it is on Spotify.
It hears you pretty well. I like that.
Torn on for the watch, Prezi Plain Jane, Yamagini Jane, rest in peace.
All right, sound test passed. Build test passed. What else? Assistant? What else can you tell this thing to do?
Okay Google, play some pop music.
Alright, here's a Spotify playlist called Soft Pop Hits.
Soft pop.
Okay Google, you're good. Stop right there.
I'm happy, you're happy.
Okay.
I wasn't know.
Hey Google, stop. I wonder if we can handle heavy accents. Hey Google. Oh wow, we did it. Hey Google, tell me about my day.
Hi, you've found the new good morning routine. Let's try it together. First, here's some information to start your day. Right now in Belvedere it's 37 and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be cloudy with a forecast.
Boring. So the assistant's super helpful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I think it beats out Siri for sure.
Anything beats out Siri. What the f you mean?
Kyle, this is the Busta-Bust show with me.
You gotta make your own show, bro.
You gotta make your own show if you want to put your own output in. You know what I'm saying, bro? Get out of here. Get out of here, bro. Go give you advice on Fortnite. Yo, Kyle is a god at Fortnite. If you guys want to check out his stuff, link down below for sure. Yeah, the only thing I'd say about his build quality, I wish there was an Omni version. I feel like an Omni version would be cool. But then again,
You're just spoiled.
I'm just trying to say, for $400 though, like, I mean, this is the max version, so this is for the premium. Like, there are products for the other markets, so I appreciate that. You know, Apple only has one thing right now, and that's the Google HomePod. I keep f***ing this up. Apple only has one, which is the HomePod itself, and it's kind of limiting itself to its market. There are rumors that Apple will be making a mini version of their HomePod, so look out for that. I think the guesstimated price range was $150, but then again, those are just rumors. This is really good. I like it. I give it an 8 for the Busta-Bust score.
I mean, this is the first impression. I don't think we do scores on first impression.
I mean, first impression score, bruh.
4 out of 10.
4 out of 10. Unboxing was simple. Setting up was simple. I really had no problem with this one. I like this.
Yeah, I think the unboxing sort of felt like the HomePod because like you just lifted it up to the top,
Right.
and then it was right there.
Right.
Had like the same sort of feel. It was cool.
This
that
feels
too.
like 2 HomePods though, like weight wise.
HomePod's small and it's heavy as hell.
Yeah, I feel like feels like 2.
You're calling it fat?
Just big fabric. I don't know. I feel like if you set this up in a corner of a room and then just blast it, it'll be fine. But then again, the Apple thing, it's just like bounces off walls and it just knows how the sound is gonna be going. Like I don't know.
Yeah, like the sensors if you have it like close to a wall.
I think the Apple HomePod gets louder than this, in my opinion. That's just ear testing. But then again, like I was facing, I don't know. Actually, I think this actually gets louder. So I think the HomePod is made for the people that want mainly music, and the Google Max is people that want music and prominently functionality. That's how I see it. You know what I'm saying? Like, what do you guys think?
I mean, I just like the size of like the HomePod. I mean, like they have like different sizes of this. So I mean, I guess if you have like a smaller space, you could just get a smaller version of that.
That's true. We gotta get the other HomePods.
Gotta get the other 2.
Yeah, gotta get the other 2 and do a comparison. Like this video if you guys want to see that comparison. Comment down below what you guys thought about this video. Comment down below if you guys want to see that comparison. Cool. Follow me on LinkedIn, guys. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. I mean, you can't follow us on YouTube. You can only subscribe, so subscribe. Click that notification bell. You already know. Keep you guys up to date with the latest and the greatest. Just like this Google Home Max.
Which isn't really the latest, but yeah.
Well, I mean, it's pretty latest. It's later.
I mean, like we're pretty late to it, if that's what you mean.
Bro, we're young. Leave a like to support young tech reviewers like me.
But not Chad.
But not Chad. Screw Chad. Have a good one, guys.